Electrical cabinets and panels are a high risk for potential fires. They are designed to offer uninterrupted support for your business, but are often taken for granted. Not only is the critical function of the cabinet compromised in a fire scenario, it could spread to surrounding equipment, causing devastating damage. The key to minimal fire damage is early detection and suppression. Reacton have a solution that will directly protect your critical assets and safeguard your business continuity. This is achieved with the automatic Clean Agent fire suppression system. All systems are pre-engineered and are ideal for OEM and retrofit. The Clean Agent system from Reacton is installed directly at the point of the fire risk, providing faster detection and suppression than conventional external systems. Being extremely compact and light with minimal parts, installation is quick and easy. The Clean Agent technology offers protection for your Class A, B and C risks and has been designed to allow for leakage and certain ventilation conditions. The proven pneumatic detection system requires no electricity to operate, giving you full peace of mind that there is 24/7 protection with zero false alarms. It will quickly and safely detect and deliver the agent at any location the Reacton detection tube is installed. The system employs a specialist clean agent that provides rapid suppression, leaving no residue, non-corrosive and completely non-conductive. Combined with the detection and discharge at the source of the fire, your system can be back up and running in no time. Simple to transport replacements mean fast and extremely cost-effective full life cycle costs. Available in a range of system sizes with modular or multi-zone protection methods, protecting your critical asset has never been so easy.